Hi chat. Welcome to another stream. Oh, I almost missed today. Marsha, hello, hello. It's about to be day 12 of Advent of Code. And we're back. I was watching some YouTube videos and I fell asleep on my couch and almost missed today's Advent of Code. So I'm a little bit groggy. Hopefully it doesn't affect my my solve for today. But let me say hi to everyone who's here. Arrowbounce, good to see you. D-Nels, JJMC, Marsha, and I believe that's Crow. It is indeed Crow. Are you in the big leaderboard? Nah, I did terrible yesterday. But if we do well today, I can get there. But I have to do well today. I'm running out of days to do well on. I'm running out of days to do well on. Is there any other setup that I do here? Is that it? I think that's right. We get in position. Hey, what's up, ASD? Scary305 says, which program is this? This is Advent of Code. We're going to be doing day 12 of whatever the current year is, 2021. Coding Akib, hello, hello, welcome back. Neurom, good to see you. Yeah, we're not doing 2017. Excuse me. Oh, I am I'm very out of it. I'm very out of it. Oh, I gotta get in the zone. We gotta get there. I gotta wake the fuck up. Walker Codes, hello, hello. Fortunately, I have 10 minutes to figure my shit out, so that's good. All right, part 2. That ready, part 1. That ready, ASC, download input. Okay, that's all ready to go. We gotta open up the browser. Cold too. I think I'm gonna go put on a hoodie. Let me get this open first though and ready to go. Let me go grab my hoodie. Okay. So how y'all doing? How's your day going? It's the third stream of today. Funny how that works out. Which means what I'm going to stream. Actually, not that many hours. Only like 7 hours today. But 3 streams nonetheless. I was watching a video about Picross, like crossword puzzles from pictures. They're very much like the card flip game in Gold and Silver. But also kind of like other games. Anyway, I had never seen Picross before, and I am so close to slipping down a very terribly deep rabbit hole where all I fucking do is play Picross. So I have to maybe not try out playing that. Cause it looks like exactly the type of game that's gonna tickle my brain in just the right way that I get sucked into it forever. Decent car, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Picross is fun. Wait, were those in the originals? I thought they were just in the remakes. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm confused. I don't know what that means. But yeah, I watched a Picross video and I was like, oh, this looks cool. Yurm says, I just messed around with Rust and failing miserably and then looked at the clock and was like, damn, this late already? Yes, AOC is almost here. 21 CLC, or is it 2L CLC? One of the two. I think those are L's. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh yeah, Voltorb Flip. I believe they were in the originals. Oh, okay, yeah. I was the one who confused myself. I call these my smarter child moments because I remember talking with chatbots on AOL Instant Messenger as a kid, and those bots had no context whatsoever. So like they would be talking about one thing, and then you would say something, and they would just go on to a completely different conversation. And I do this all the time with Twitch chat, where I'm talking about a story, somebody mentions something I'm talking about in chat, and I completely forget the exact words that I've just said. But yes, Heart Gold, Soul Silver. Was it in the originals? I don't know if it was in the originals. I actually didn't play Gold and Silver. I did play Crystal. I guess I played Gold and Silver only when it came out again on the 3DS Virtual Console. I never played the originals. But the OG had a similar game called Card Flip. Yeah, I guess I was thinking of Voltorb Flip. The only reason I know a lot about Voltorb Flip is from Worcester's speedruns and how you can RNG manip Voltorb Flip. That's the only reason I know about it, because I never played Voltorb Flip, but I kind of understand the concept of it. It's not the same as Picross, but it's like very, very similar logic puzzles. Although I don't think Voltorb Flip is actually solved. I think it is actually a gambling game. Oh yeah, good call, Eric. It was on. It was very much on earlier today. It was on for a full like hour and 10 minutes earlier today. So I've had my fill of Vim today. Mr. Singh, hello, good to see you. Okay, hopefully I'm woken up. Yeah, there's the clip. Hey, what's up, Takaban? Hello. Erebon says, I think there's a chance I played more Voltorb Flip and Pokathlon than the rest of Pokemon Heart Gold. Oh my god, Pokathlon was so good. That was the like jumping game. Oh my god, I remember that. That was good. Actually, I'm pretty sure I played more of the like Pokewalker mini games than I did the rest of Heart Gold. Partially because I started software setting for a shiny Charmander and just never finished. I think if I boot up my copy of Heart Gold, I'm still standing in front of Professor Oak, getting a fucking Charmander. I just never finished it. Then I hatched eggs, and now I have like 4 shiny Charmanders, so it's like whatever. Will today be a graph thing? I don't know. Only Eric knows. Well, Eric and Aneurysm and whoever else playtested. But I don't know. Is it gonna be a maze puzzle? Is it gonna be a game of life puzzle? It's gonna be. Please no modular arithmetic. Please no modular arithmetic. Please no modular arithmetic. I mean, there is a chance. I don't think I'm ever going to use this because I don't quite understand how it works. But maybe one day we will use graphlib.topological sorter, which is new in 3.10? 3.9? 3.9. I'd rather just write my own topo cert, basically. Eric says, what kind of puzzles do you like the most? I like the parser heavy puzzles. Because I feel like I'm really good at writing shitty parsers. I also kind of like the graph problems. I really liked the connect the. I just did the connect the wires puzzle in 2017 today, which is the one where you basically trace a wire around and figure what letters you cross. I really liked that puzzle for some reason. Oh, I like the virtual machine puzzles too. I like int code. Yeah. I guess I'm fine with pretty much all the puzzles except for the modular arithmetic puzzles. Game of life, I'm good at those. Here's time traveler. Siberian lumberjack. Hello. There's the one off throwaway gag. All there is this year. Oh yeah, I don't know if we would get another pure encode problem. Pure in fact, changing tonight's puzzle to a modular arithmetic puzzle. No. Hey, what's up, Kinviko? Hello. What is this? What is this picture? What do you have here? I broke the row. Cleric, good sir, we heard that your village has befallen a terrible lycanthropic curse. Villager, the werewolves did it. They say they can remove it, but they're asking for 100 bitcoins. Oh no, tell me it's not what I think it is. Yep, ransomware. It's a good joke. I approve. Changing tonight's puzzle, but just for Anthony Writes Code's user. Oh no. Hey, what's up, Steve Mandito? Hello, hello. Large Popping, good to see you again. Surprise 2 years later encode puzzle? Yeah. Okay. Decent car, hello, hello. Wait, I already said hi to you. Didn't I already say hi to you? I'm pretty sure I already said hi to you. If not, you get 2 hellos. Or even 4, because I said hello, hello. Was encode only in 2019? Yeah, there was an Easter egg. There was an encode Easter egg in one of the puzzles this year. But it wasn't the actual puzzle. Actually, a question that I want to know the answer to, does anybody know if those hover over Easter eggs can be hovered over before you get all 50 stars? I don't think they can. I seem to remember that from, there's like a web extension that highlights them or something. Is hello, hello, hello 2 hellos or 4 hellos? It's 4. It's 4. Well, they can, says Flantastic Dan? Well, I don't know, man. I don't know what that means. I guess I'm wrong. I mean, Eric, the man himself, knows the answer, so it's perfect. Steve Benito says, I spent the whole day dealing with the log4j issue. Log for fucking J. I feel like the name log4shell is like it's a real cop-out code name for this. I think log4jdni is way more catchy. That's what I'm calling it. But whatever. Log4shell is fine. Time to spend a minute hunting for the one in day 1. Nice, nice. I mean, there's some like custom CSS you can do. Yeah, set up a user style. Yeah, exactly. Okay, down to the last minute. Good luck to everyone solving today. Hopefully me falling asleep right before the puzzle is not gonna fuck me over, but we'll see how that goes. I gotta stop taking naps right before AOC. It's just not a good look for me. Okay, right tab's open, command ready to run. Time ticking down. Good luck, have fun. Oh, the Saturday puzzle, so it's gonna be a tricky one, right? Take our bongo energy. Yes, give me all of your bongos. Why did that sound creepy? What am I doing? Bang bongo energy, that's so perfect. Yes, indeed. Oh, I should have filled up my water. Oh well, it's too late now. I'm just gonna be thirsty the whole time. All right, good luck. And okay, that looks like our input. It also triple clicked. Oh, there's way more things. There's way more things. What's a graph? Distinct paths that start at start and end at end and don't visit small caves more than once. 2 texture caves, big and small caves. It's a graph problem. Okay, so the answer for this is 10. Cave D is never visited by any path. To do so, cave B would need to be visited twice. Wait. Okay. Got it. So, slightly larger example. We're gonna waste time by putting both of these in. Input 2, and that one is expected to be 19 paths. We're not gonna bother with the third example. All right, let's go. Let us parse this. So this is edges. How do I want to do this? The problem similar to this earlier today. I think this is what I did for that one. Oh, they're bi-directional, so we got to add both of them in. Okay. edges source.add dist, edges dist.add source. Okay, and then we just need to not backtrack on little caves. We can go to big caves more than once. So it's just create paths from that. Okay, so depth first, breadth first. Doesn't really matter. We need to keep track of the paths. Do equals start. We will represent them as tuples. And our goal is to get to end paths. And we can breadth first. Breadth first. Yeah. Import. Oh, we already have this. Collections.deck to do breadth first, while to do next equals to do next. Let's see. Path equals to do dot pop left. For choices in edges path -1, if for choice, yeah, if choice not in path, then do dot extend or to do dot end path choice. If we get to end, then done.add path and continue. Or no, path -1. And then return land done. Get many fewer than we expect to get. Oh. Choice dot is lower and if oops. Always backtrack on those. Sick. Part 2. Realize you might have planned to visit a small cave twice. Specifically, big caves can be visited any number of times. A small cave can be visited at most twice, and the remaining caves shall be visited at most once. However, caves named start and end can only visit exactly once each. Okay. 36 from the first, and 103 from the second. 36, 103. So this just changes the rules slightly. If choice equals start. If choice does not equal start, and or choice dot is oh, now I get way too many. The choice is not start, and it's uppercase or the count is less than 2. Did I not read this right? You visit a small cave twice. Specifically, big caves can be visited any number of times. A single small cave can be visited at most twice, and the remaining small caves can be visited at most once. Oh, a single small cave can be visited twice. Oh, that makes this way fucking hard. Makes this way harder. Let's add another bit to this. Double small. Okay, so if choice, just subtract out start. Never go back to start. Okay, now we don't need this anymore. So if choice dot is upper, then we can just do this. That's easy. Elif. Elif double small is false, and path.count choice equals 1. We actually need to make this a tuple. To do dot append star path choice. True, we have done our double small. Elif double small is true, and path.count and choice not in path. Then I need one more print there. Those are our cases now, I think. 0. Oh, we also have actually don't care if this is true or not. Sick. All right, how do we do? How do we do today? Yo, 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 yo. Yo! We did it! We did it! I'm on the top 100! Yes! Fucking let's go! Alright. I can retire now. I've achieved my AOC greatness. Shh, no, we're taking a screenshot right here. Where's my screenshot button? How do I screenshot this one? Let's go! Yeah, until other people finish it. Yeah, people can still get points and knock me off. But for now, for at least right now, I'm on there. No! Oh, we're tied. Okay, I was like, why am I flip-flopping? Oh, there's people flip-flopping for 100 too. Why does it not show all the ties at 100? Is that a bug? Is that a bug, Eric? Is it supposed to show ties at 100? Oh, we did it, chat. So fucking happy. This problem I did really well in. I was really happy with this. 33 and 36. Wow. Wow. Okay, that was fun. Good time to practice some graph traversal? Yeah. 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 We're not to return 0. Holy moly, Anthony, you've been going hard on these streams you streamed 8 hours, right, a few days ago? Yeah. Well, I also streamed like 6 hours today already. 7 hours today. Hope it's a good nap. He might still be half asleep. Yeah, I'm a little still dazed, but doesn't matter. We got it. Doesn't matter. We got it. I'm so bad at graph traversal. I'm pretty good at graph traversal. I find that this pattern works really well, representing the edges as a two-way set. And then after that, it's really just, you know, have your state traversed properly. I probably didn't need to do it like this. I probably could have done it a different way. With counting, but this is an easy way to just have the state and not have to muck around with it. Aerobounce 127.72, nice. Yo, Aerobounce, did you see? Did you see? Did you see what I did? It's probably gone now. But... Oh, still there. Still there. Let's go. But you're right. Somebody has bumped me down slightly because I was 98th in this screenshot. Yeah. So someone has jumped me. Oh, I understand why. Okay, it cuts off at exactly 100 people. That makes sense. So if there's ties at 100, it's just anyone's game who ends up there. Got it. Being tied with Manson from. I'm not gonna make fun of his name. I say as I'm laughing. Let's look at the private leaderboard. Did I jump over T-Bot-T? Oh, I'm on top again. Let's go. Well, until Alexander solves, probably. And T-Bot-T. Until Alexander and T-Bot-T finish, I'm currently sitting at second. Yeah, we'll see what happens. That LX, I don't think I've seen this person before, but they've come out of nowhere. They're we've got some competitive people on this private leaderboard, like me, Aerobounce, LX, Alexander, T-Bot-T, Sparky B. I mean, even these people are fairly fast too, but okay, there's no way. Person says, I figured you were more of a bot. Kind of the link for the private leaderboard? Yeah, if you join the Discord, it is pinned in the Advent of Code channel. So join there, and that's how you can get to it. Shaz, how's it going? Yo, Shaz, check it. Look at this. Look at this. Top 100 global. Okay, let me say hi to everyone who followed. Detain Cider, Brescia, and Nat Coconut. Thank you all for the follow. Welcome. And how long is our input? Because this actually isn't that bad. Although representing this as a, I don't think this one's doable in SQLite. I think I'm gonna be done with SQLite for the year. And yeah, it was a good run. I think I'm gonna value sleep more than memeing. We did the first 12 days and 10 days in SQLite. I think I'm gonna call that good enough. Battlestar Galactica. That is such a good name. Blazy Bunch, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Not gonna do it in Java now? Let me commit my code at least. Git reset part 1. My solution to part 2 is kind of oh, it's actually not that slow. I was like, I thought it was this number of seconds, and I was like, oh. Alchemist Doobie says, wait, Python has typing now? It does indeed. And if you want to learn all about it, I have many videos on my YouTube channel that go over Python and typing. Check out the second video link there. Every language has typing if you use a keyboard. Yeah. Oh, I meant to reset part 2. I bet MyPy is going to be like, I don't know what this type is. Oh, it should know because we... Oh, it's not going to know this is a variable length tuple. I probably could have used a list instead of a tuple. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fast boyo. Add it to our reamd. Say 12 part 1. Ended deck is incompatible type tuple stir expected. Yeah, that's what I expected. That's what I expected it to be mad about. The deck D-U-Q-U-E. Man, I'm glad my brain didn't derp when I tried to think about that while solving. Ooh, it just barely fits. Oh, it's not going to fit for the other one. But that's fine. Part 1. How long has it had it? There has been the syntax for it since Python 3.0. The typing module was introduced in 3.5. But 3.0 was like 2009, so the syntax has been there in a really long time. CapFA, or CapFowl, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Not even mad about it, just curious to try it again. Yeah, I actually think the typing stuff is probably the best thing that's happened to Python in the last, I don't know, 10-ish years. Yeah, it didn't exist in Python 2. There was a comment syntax that worked for Python 2. But yeah, there was no built-in syntax. 2009, was that because of Python 2? Yeah, no one ran Python 3.0. Python 3.0 was fucking garbage. Python wasn't really usable until like Python 3.4. Anthony with the raid, how are you doing? Are you just passing back my viewers from earlier? How you doing? My tab complete is not letting me shout out. There we go. Welcome to the stream, Raiders. Manny Mucky, good to see you. I rated Anthony in my earlier stream. Ryan K. Hawkins, hello, hello. Kenny, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Day 12, part 2. You can have them back. Okay, yeah, this is, of course, unhappy because it does not know that this is a variable length tuple. And this type is going to be a little bit gross. Tuple, stir. Whoa, 1, 2. But now it should understand. Is this Ubuntu? Kind of. It both is and isn't. Okay, has global filled up? Can I push and raid? We're good to go. Look at that. Day 12. Yes, global is filled. Okay, so I can say with certainty that I am on the global leaderboard independent of the puzzles settling. So I'm pretty hyped about that. Is the tooling line now is always discouraging not to know which pipx and toolx to use. Yeah, it's still a bit of a shit show. Basically, I just use pip and virtualenv for everything. You can get into the fancy tools if you want to. I just don't think they're worth it. Pip mostly works, and it works a lot better than it did in 2009 because binary wheels are a thing now. So it's a lot better supported now. Hey, what's up, Linge? How you doing? Yeah, check it. Yo, so hyped. This is so cool. And if I get 50 more points, I'll have more points than I had last year. So I think I'm gonna like blow last year out of the water, which is also pretty cool. All right, I'm push this up, and yeah, this is gonna be a bit of a shorter stream, unless we could do some 2017. What do you want to see, chat? 2017, or we raid some? Unless, yeah, 2017 or raid someone. 2017, 2017. I'm hearing a lot of 2017. Okay, we'll do some 2017. ASC 2017. We are on day 21. And we started yesterday, so we've gone through quite a few. And 2017, I need to see the master at work. Well, we just got some points. Right, 2017? 2016. 2017, but you have to use ABCs? Like abstract base classes? I literally see. Like ABCs are a trap. Right, day 21. Fractal art. Oh! I'm betting this is a game of life problem. Do 2014? Yeah. Image consists of two-dimensional square grids of pixels that are either on or off. Because the pattern has both 3 pixels, it is said to have a size of 3, so it's going to be a square? Wait, what the fuck? Wait, what? Program repeats the following process. If the size is evenly divisible by 2, break the pixels up into 2 by 2 Okay. ADC, I think this is the game of life problem. It also ADC. Nani? Yeah, that is precisely what's happening here. Okay, there's a lot to read. I can't really jump around on this. All right. So the expected value is 12. So that's something we can put in here. I can read that part at least. Or there are 2 examples here. Program always begins with this pattern. And it has rules. So this is... We don't have any of those equals patterns here. Following rules correspond to adjacent patterns. Okay, so these are the 2 rules. Got it. Dentless Nut, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Fractal art. Yeah. Jamie Pratt! Yeah, why are you awake? Holy shit. Thank you for the resub at 20 months. 20 whole ass months, Jamie Pratt. Thank you for the continued support. It's good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. Wonder how prevalent Python 2.7 is still in production. Yeah, that's a big if there, right? Journey in AI. Okay, so music has stopped. Why is it suddenly quiet? Oh, it's after 2 iterations. Oh, this doesn't actually give us the we don't have a good input. I guess we can parameterize things. Okay, so this is our rules. This is our input. And this is our default value here, but in here we are saying iterations equals 2, and our program begins with size 3. Not divisible by 2, but it is divisible by 3. It divides into a single square. Square matches the second rule, which produces this. Okay, I gotta read more about this. So it always begins with this pattern. So we can represent this pattern. Since everything's on and off, we can actually just represent this as a set of coordinates. But I think that might actually not be good. So are these replacements? Artist explains that sometimes one must rotate or flip the input pattern to find a match. Never rotate or flip the output pattern, though. Each pattern is written concisely. Rows are listed as single units, ordered top down, separated by slashes. Searching for a rule to use, rotate and flip the pattern as necessary. All of the following patterns match the same rule. Oh, so a pattern separated by slashes is this. It? So So these are like masks. Kind of. And when we match them, what happens when them? Certain different rule to use, flip and rotate. Okay. Oh, it's a replacement. So it is a multi-line replacement. Okay, this is how the grid grows. Oh, we have subgrids. So we never rotate the output, only rotate the input. Okay. Because the pattern is with 3 and 3, it is said to be a size of 3. Then the program repeats the following process. If the size is evenly divisible by 2, break the pixels up into 2 by 2 squares and convert each 2 by 2 square into a 3 by 3 square by following the corresponding enhancement rule. Otherwise, size is evenly divisible by 3. Break the pixels up into 3 by 3 squares and convert each 3 by 3 square into a 4 by 4 square, following the enhancement rule. There's a lot going on here. And he says, as much as I want to do AOC, I get too frazzled even understanding the question. I think anyone can do the early problems. And even some of the later problems. I think you would be absolutely fine doing probably the first, I don't know, 10 from this year. Maybe even more. I think you can get it done. Kamiko says, I did the best I've ever done on part 1, and then I got overexcited. Oh, nice. Eric says, my mom did the first few puzzles from 2021 in Excel. That's awesome. That's pretty cool. I did day 6 in Excel. Well, Google Sheets. But that's awesome. That's really cool. Oh, Kanbiko, did you see this, by the way? Were you here? Did you see this? Look at this. Based mom. Yeah, it's true. It's true. It's true. Check this out, Kanbiko. I don't tell that I could, but I'm just, the heck, never mind. Yeah, do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Yeah, I'm on global. Technically, I'm 99th now, but this was when I took the screenshot right after I got there. Do I need to know some data structures and algorithms in order to solve the first 10? Yeah, you need to know a few. But if you've watched you go to my YouTube channel and watch these videos, the ones that say interview questions, interview data structures, this one, you don't need this one yet, maybe, this one. Yeah, those ones will get you most of what you need to know for these, if you don't know those data structures already. Just take your time. Taking multiple months off of doing older years is perfectly fine. You pace yourself. Yeah, exactly. It took me 2 years to finish 2019. Are those going to be Python specific? Yes, but the same data structures, you can create versions of those in other languages. It's more the ideas and how to apply them more so than the actual data structures. Okay, I'm going to fill up my water and then continue to break my brain trying to understand this. So I will be right back, and I will see you in a sec. Hello, I'm back. Squash, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. What's cool about ASCs is kind of a deliberate practice, highlights gaps in knowledge, so actually nice pointers for what to learn next. Yeah. Exercise, I try to include as much variety as possible in the puzzles to encourage that. Yeah, it makes a lot of sense. Airbun says I should probably actually learn how to use the collections library. I've been sticking with normal Python ticks and lists this whole time. Probably giving myself a bit, but it's still pretty fast, so shrugs. Yeah. I mean, sometimes you have to use deck, so how do you, I mean, you can't really use a list for things where a deck would be needed. I guess you could write your own, you could write your own linked list. No one wants to do that, though. Size is evenly divisible by 2. Okay, so these are all... We're going to have some 2x2 patterns. We're going to have some 3x3 patterns. A lot of 3x3 patterns. Actually, do we have all of the 3x3 patterns? Do we have every combination in here? I don't think so. Oh yeah, we do. Oops. Does our puzzle input have every combination? Did I miss stay in SQLite? I'm done with SQLite. What, Sparky B? Check this shit. Look what I did. Look at me. Oh, you saw it. Nice. Yeah, I think I'm. This does not contain every combination. Okay. So it's some subset of the combinations. Is it every rotation or is it flips? Rotate or flip. Never rotate or flip the opposite pattern. Each pattern is written concisely. Those are top down. Okay, I think I understand this problem. I actually think this problem's not that hard. We can take all of the input patterns and map them to all of their transformations. The problem mentions some stuff about missing ones. Oh. Okay, so all of the patterns are in there. They are just flipped in some way. Got it. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think this actually isn't that tough. It's really just generating all of the patterns. NTRM95, thank you for the follow. Welcome. And it's treating subgrids separately. So like you split, then you apply rules, then you join, I think. Like you're never applying rules across this giant grid. So you have sets of 2 rules and you have sets of 3 rules. Right? Enhancement rule. Okay. You made this problem sound a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. I think this actually isn't that bad. It's still not clear to me how I expand a 2x2 into a 3x3 and such. So maybe I need to read that a little bit more. It's not divisible by 2, but it is divisible by 3. It divides evenly into a single square. Oh, these are expansion rules. Got it. These 3x3s turn it into 4x4s. These 2x2s turn it into 3x3s. Okay, I understand now. Cool. Jazz Lucy, hello, hello. How you doing? Whoa. That pog at the end. That was kind of nutty. Okay, so let us parse input. For line in lines, we're gonna have 2 rules and 3 rules. Yeah. Rules 2 and rules 3, and I'm going to represent our input as a set. Maybe even as a frozen set? Maybe we convert back and forth between a set and a frozen set. Okay. Having a path back to the start was a bad idea. Yeah, that would be it. Wait, D-Dolls, did you get to see my? I don't think you've seen yet. Check it, D-Dolls. I'm just showing everyone at this point. Oh, you saw? Okay, fine. If C equal to octothorpe, then chords dot add. Actually, this can just be one set comprehension. Oh yeah, you told me to wait for people. Yeah, that's right. One of the silly things I hard coded was manually creating every flip and rotation character by character. Oh. Rika says I'm still hyper from almost getting a global star. Is this how you feel every day? The adrenaline? Well, I haven't gotten all of the days. I've gotten a few of them. I've gotten 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's about half. Pretty good though. This is one of my fastest part 2 solves. Oh yeah, 33, 36. Slower on part 2 though. But that's because I made that mistake, but I'm not mad. I'm not mad. So that's our starting board. We need to parse our thing here. So we need to both flip and rotate. Okay. Gen P set I think we can just represent these as a set too. We need to know size as well. And this is going to be we're gonna represent our keys as the size and the frozen set. Generator tuple size tuple size. What am I doing? About to write size T. What am I doing? Frozen set tuple int 1, 2, 3, 4. Everyone says I got 339 in 2019, the year I never actually finished. Nice. Yeah, I got super stuck on 2019-22. The modular arithmetic one. ASD says I saw a talk about graph traversal just yesterday, so I knew how to approach today's problem, but I only noticed the paragraph about small and big caves are out 20 minutes in. Ah. Yeah. Definitely don't skip paragraphs. I mean, you can bounce around sometimes. Okay, the rotation of coordinates is fun. So given an input, we need to do flip x, flip y. Do we also have to do rotate and then flip x, flip y? That makes me think there's a lot of stuff here. Chelsea Bites, welcome to the stream. You also have a fancy check mark. What do you stream, Chelsea Bites? We use Precommit a lot at work. That's awesome. That's great to hear. Well, I created Precommit. I'm glad to hear you use it. Wicked Wizard, welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. Polly's first principle, understand the problem. Yeah. Kabika says, I've got a shortcut set up to speed read text-to-speech style the selected text to avoid misreading problems. Ah. That's clever. You can also have that reading while you're starting to code. That's cool. Yeah, that's 5-head. Yeah, that's big 5-head. That's right. I usually tried some programming live and my community called me nerdy. They called you nerdy? That's unfortunate. Well, there's science and tech is cool. Well, I guess we're not called science and tech anymore. We're software and game development now, which is an improvement. It's true though. I just embrace it. At this point, like, you know, coding's cool. Coding on Twitch is even cooler. Okay, so this pattern is not going to be different if we rotate it, so that's not interesting. Oh, and thank you for the follow, Chelsea Bites. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. 100% nerd for life. Yeah. Bongo coding is cool. True, true. Okay, so if we have this, oops, we're gonna get out the paint. Oh, that's not how I spell MS Paint. Oh God. How do computers? So if we have this dot, and we flip this, that's not select box. Can I do a flip here? No. I can do flip vertical. So this is a different combination. We can also do, oops, we can also do flip horizontal. We can also do both flips. And that gets us all 4 combinations. So we have to do flip X, flip Y, flip both. The follow animation. Yeah, yes, it is very heavily inspired. Oh, you can't see it on the screen. It's very heavily inspired by Precommit. I want to get it to actually animate the dots. Because right now it just kind of shows up. I think it would be cooler if it showed the dots. Oh yeah, and the sub animation works too. Wait, where is it? Oh, I shouldn't have replayed. I should have just. Thank you for the gift sub, Kinbiko. It is much better. Okay, so we need to do all those flips. We also need to do rotates. The rotates don't really matter for this here. Actually, are the flips the same as rotates? Does size 2 have cardinality? Chirality. Organic chemistry. That's not what we want to like. I don't know that it's not useful for this example because this one, the flips are the same as the rotates. So let's maybe think about something that would be more interesting like this. This has, if we do the flips, this only has a vertical flip. The horizontal flip does not matter. But the rotates matter. And these are gonna look stupid. We get those 4. And then there's ones that matter even less. Wait, I'm so confused whether I need both rotates and flips. I assume I need to, but I think it's not. I think it doesn't matter for 1x1s. The only other one would be the diagonal, because everything else is equivalent or inverted. I guess we'll look at what the diagonal is. So if we flip, we get the opposite case. Either flip horizontal or vertical. Either of those would give us that. What does rotate give us? I think rotate gives us the same thing. That's the same as the original. Okay, so it probably doesn't matter for 2x2s. But for 3x3s, it definitely does. Okay, so for 2x2, we just need to do rotates. Actually, wait, no. We either need to do rotates or we need to do flips, so we might as well do both of them. But we can dedupe a lot. The question is whether I have to do rotate and flip is the tricky part. All right. Let's consider this. So we have the flip. I should have posted that on silly Twitter. We have flip X as well. Flip horizontal. And then we have horizontal and vertical. These are all the flips that we can do. And then we have to do rotates. Rotate 90. That is unique. If we rotate, rotating 180 is the same as double flipping. But we never need a double flip. Is that always true? Flip, rotating. Heading off. Good luck with the day. Thanks for stopping by Airbounce. Always good to see you. Flip equals mirror. Yes, that is the word that I'm using to mean mirror. Yeah, because if we rotate back 90, these two are the same. Okay, so when you do flip X, flip Y, rotate 90, 180, and 270. So we need flip X, we need original, flip X, flip Y, rotate 90, rotate 180, rotate 270. I think that handles all the cases. Hopefully. So actually, I think what this is going to return instead is a set, maybe. That's probably the easiest way to do this. Ret.append frozen set. Oh, and it needs to have tuple. Frozen set, boards, and size. Spike B says, today in SQLite ended up being pretty easy. Got all so far in SQLite and Python. Oh, you did today's? Oh, cool. Fun. Was missing day 5 and today in Google Sheets. Oh, well, I'm impressed. I think I'm done memeing in SQLite. It was fun when it lasted. But yeah, oh yeah, I should follow your stream so that I can see what your nerdiness is about. Where's the button? Oh my god, stop. Sorry. I forgot preview videos play. Alright, flip X. What do we have to do for flip X? We need to change the X coordinates of all of the positions to be size minus X. 3, they become, no, size minus 1 minus X? We want, we have size equals 3 and we have X equals 2, Y equals 1, which is going to be this position. When we flip X, we want this to become X equals 0, Y equals 1. So this will be 3 minus 1 minus X. So size minus 1 minus X. Ret.append size frozen set. Am I doing YX or XY? I forgot. I'm doing YX. Okay. Y 3 minus 1 minus, or size minus 1 minus X. Size minus 1 minus X. For YX in chords. That's flip X. So this should be not append, be add. That looks right. And flip Y is actually very similar. The rotate ones are the tricky ones. Size frozen set size minus 1 minus Y X. Why do I have 2 parens here? Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, for Y X in chords. So that's flip Y. Then we have to do the rotates. And really, I just have to figure out rotate once, and then I can just go. And I'm pretty sure I've done rotate before. It's like switch chords and multiply 1 by negative or something. No, that's for switching quadrants. We're not switching quadrants. We are rotating. God damn it, Eric. Don't tell him about his bug chat. It'll be fun to watch him debug it. I feel like you're just fucking with me. I feel like you're just fucking with me. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh yes, the other Sotile. Although I don't. Yeah, he doesn't go by his surname anymore. Line 25. Well, we gotta save. We gotta wait. Oh, I forgot to turn Vim back on. I thought I was punished. Check line 25. Now you're really just messing with me. How did you know what? You can't possibly know what line it was either because I don't have line numbers. Now I just know you're messing with me. Troll accomplished? Yeah. Okay. You got me there. That's fair. Okay, so we have x2, y1, and this needs to turn into y2, x1? Which would then turn into x equals 0, y equals 1. I need some way to represent that transition. Enable Vim until December 26th. Yeah. Yeah, that would be actually wild. All right, so next puzzle, how many bits to enable Vim until December 26th? You would need quite a few bits. I don't think Twitch lets you pay out that many bits. But I don't know if you could, if you somehow accumulate enough bits where it lasted from one day to the next day, I would just leave Vim on. At that point, you've won. Or I've won, one way or the other, depending on how you consider it. Okay, so how does x equals 2 become, or how does, more specifically, I guess, how does y equals 1 become x equals 1? Walker says, woo, 10 p.m. no more pager. Nice, nice. No more log for JD and I. Hey, what's up, Totally Sane? Hello, hello. T Ford says, why Nano instead of Vim? Well, funny thing, I have Vim open right here. I have Babby open here. But yeah, I used to use Nano. I'm not actually using Nano. I'm using my own text editor that I wrote from scratch called Babby. Babby is heavily inspired by Nano, but it has, you know, nice things like syntax highlighting that actually works, and, you know, other meme jokes. I don't know. I wrote my own text editor. Generally, we just distract him while he tries to code. Yeah, that's true. 51 bits per minute times 12 hours times 60 minutes. I think Twitch would rate limit you if you did it that way. But that would be the way to cheese it. All right, I'm not seeing any clever math that makes this happen. I think I might just need to do a map, and there's not that many values, so it's not terrible. Like, does x equals... Oh, it's that the coordinates flip. Like, this is just a coordinate flip. Is that even right, though? That becomes... this, which is y2, x1. Keyboard says, I'd use my own if I could write it too. Yeah, that's fair. So it's then this to this. Yeah, so these numbers are right. I'm just not seeing a good way to make sense of them. Oh, I know what I could do. I could rotate them into another quadrant and then add values to all of them. I think that's what makes sense. So if I remember correct, it's swap them and then add a negative. So if I instead transform this to over here, assuming this is in this quadrant, so then we would swap it over to that quadrant. So this would be negative what? Negative x? Negative x would be x equals -2, y equals 2. Wait. I swore I did this some problem where we rotate it around a quadrant. And I think all this rotaty flippy business is like the first third of the puzzle. I don't think, no, once I get that done, it's just divide and conquer. It's not that hard, I don't think. Just building these keys is the... Maybe it's 2019? Oh, that's a special character. I don't even remember what day it was. I think it was 2020. Pragmatic! Thank you for the raid. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Fun Cogger, haven't heard that phrase in a while. Just makes me think of Rough Garden's Coursera course. Oh, it was the fucking puzzle piece problem, which was 22. Oh, but I think I did that with slices. Not actual rotation around. No, it was not that problem, but that one was one that was similar to that. That was day 20? Yes. Yeah, which I just did with slices. I turned it into a graph problem. The Targans! Oh. Oh, I forgot about the Dargans. Oh boy. Only 5,500 people done with one part of today so far. Wait, are people really struggling on part 2? So is that here? Summer Evans, thank you for the raid. Welcome, welcome, raiders. Oh, I forgot to give Pragmatic a shout out. And Sumner Evans, there you go. Wait, why is it not letting me tab complete your name, Sumner? Sumner Evans. That work? Oh. Oh, you can't do up in in Twitch chat, of course. There we go. 5,500 is a lot. Not everyone does these at midnight. Yeah, but if you look at like compared to day 11, this is teeny numbers. J McMarks, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Fun problem. Part 1 was great. Part 2 was bad. My part 2 was a very easy modification from part 1. But also, I got on global leaderboard. Like global leaderboard, which is pretty cool. It'll be in the tens of thousands by tomorrow night. Yeah, perhaps. You still have a linear progression here, although look at how many people were like, nope, fuck this on day 3, part 2. Which doesn't surprise. I missed that only one small can be visited twice. Yeah, I missed that in my first attempt as well. But then like a little bit of reading and I figured it out. That's me, I noped out of that one. Yeah. Part 2 is hard because there's not necessarily a good way to think through the double traversal thing. Yeah, I used one bit of state to do that. Man. Oh, you know what I could do instead? I could flip this up to the upper left quadrant and then subtract. That'll be easier. This is... We go from what, x equals 2, y equals 1. And then we want to take that to x equals -2, y equals -1, which would put us here. And then we need to get it back into this plane. So we would do +3 +3. We get then x equals 1, y equals 2. So the rotation is -x plus size and -y plus size. Why does it look like you're writing a brainfuck? I'm just drawing diagrams here. This isn't actual code. This is me playing around with diagrams. But welcome, Death Eater. How you doing? Bongo think, yeah, no, the bot doesn't reply to itself. It's a little smarter than that. I started helper function to check if the path allowed me to add on the room. Not efficient at all, but quick to write. That's fair, that's fair. Hey, what's up, Larry? What are we working on? 2017, day 20... I don't know, I got distracted by the drop song. 21 part 1. How you doing, Larry? Good to see you. Yo, Larry, check it. Where's my screenshot? Look at this. Look what I did. I assume you're on global though, right? Are you on global? Yeah, you're way up there. Oops, I didn't mean to click. You're way up there, but I made it. I finally made it. I achieved my lifelong admin of code goal. I had a lucky part 2. I don't think I got lucky. I think I was just good. I'm just kidding. Okay, does this work for this transformation? -1 plus 3 is 2. No, it doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? That would put it at x equals 2, y equals... Oh, I did a double rotate. I did a 180. That's not what I wanted to do. Wait, what have I done? Oh, I don't want to think about this. I think I'm gonna do this tomorrow. Thunder says I was on the global leaderboard for day 1 and day 2 because I got 98 on day 1. Ah, nice, nice, nice. Gilliam says nice shirt, thanks. And this is my normal stream shirt. I guess this is my company that I used to work at hoodie. It's so comfy, otherwise I wouldn't wear it. But it's so comfy. Yeah, I think we're gonna pass the raid along. I've been streaming for too long today. I'm gonna go get some sleep. But yeah, my little spiel. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel. So I post three videos a week about things that you can learn and stuff. I also upload my Advent of Code solutions, so check those out on my channel. I also have a second channel if you missed any part of the stream and want to catch up on that, so you can go to the VODs channel. I will be streaming every day of Advent of Code as it comes out. Liz, thank you for the raid. We will pass your raid along as well, Liz. I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is Twitter. The other is my Discord. But yeah, thank you all for stopping by. Oh, and Liz, I got global leaderboard. I did it. I did it. Finally. Okay, let's pass this raid along. Who else is online and ready to be raided? You doing ASC? Or we raided them recently. We raided her recently. Let me double check if there's someone new. Just to find, because I always want to find new people. If not, we'll later raid her. Not many folks left? Oh, well. Well then. I don't think I've actually ever raided Yes Operator. I think we are going to raid Yes Operator. I've seen them around, but I have not raided them. So we're going to raid Yes Operator. Luvetti, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. And go say hi to Yes Operator. Oops, 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 oops. That's the second time I've done that today. Otimo Inc., thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Anyway, have a good one. I'll see you around. Peace.